Okay, definitely got an interesting one here. So, just trying to iron out the wiring, and thought I'd share it with you. So that's the central locking box. So I earth out these two connections here, and you got unlock and lock. Central locking's working quite fine. But if I try and do it over here, I get nothing. If I test the earth, there is no earth, so I have to add my own earth. I still don't have central locking functioning here, and I have to earth it out here because there is no earth between the door and the van. So there's a connection somewhere that's not connected. So I earth this out. It's just going to the door here. There is power coming to the door though, because this is for the power windows. The power windows don't work, but that's the last thing I'll be looking at. I'm getting power from the power window, so I bring that up to my power window up here, and power windows work fine. But without me adding my own power, the power windows don't work either, so it just fell out. So now you can just see nothing. But if I add power from that connection there, from that power to the blue wire here, I can't do it with one hand, but you get the idea, then the power windows work. So why am I not getting power to that line there with the ignition on? Why does this door not have an earth at all? And why does this switch here not trip the central locking? There has to be a connection somewhere that's related to everything here that is not right. Now at the end result, I've got to take that fender off anyway. So end result is, if I can't find where that connection is, then I'm just going to run my own power. Once I get that fender off, I'll run my own power with my own relay and my own 15 amp fuse to supply power to the power windows. I'll work out what's going on here, even if I have to run wires myself from the fender to that switch there. I'll work that out. And power mirrors, like I said, as neither here or there. I've got manual mirrors as well. It'll be nice if I can get them going, but I'll first focus on the central locking and the power windows. And another thing that's quite interesting to look at, because this is a 5-speed manual, these relays. Now you got the 3 of them here, which there should be 5 according to my other 2 vans. There's 5 relays in a bundle together, but this one here has 2 here, 1 up there, and a fusible link, which says it's 10 amp for a cooler, and it's not blown. I guess cooler means for the blower, possibly for the AC. But anyway, because this is a manual van, things are different to the autos, so I'll take that with a grain of salt. But I think my best bet would be is to take this complete dashboard out. I'm going to swap it anyway, because this one is all cracked. You can see there, it's all badly cracked. So I think I'll clean out the front here, and I'll take this dash out, and that way I can get access directly to the wiring. And while I've got this parts van there, I can look at the wiring there compared to this one here and work things out. I think that's my best bet. So the first thing I'll do is I'll remove the 3 bolts under the bonnet here. So you remember on the last dash I pulled out, I've got the 3 underneath here. So I'll do them first, so they're not forgotten about when I go pulling on the dash on the inside, that I'm not going to be breaking anything there. And I'll get into it.